In this video, I'll show you how to cancel or edit a Wise transfer. Step 1. Log into Wise. Open wise.com or the Wise app. I will leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Sign in with your credentials and complete any required authentication. Step 2. Go to Transfers. From your dashboard, navigate to the Transfers or Activity tab or menu to view current transactions. Step 3. Choose the transfer to cancel or edit. Select the transfer you wish to cancel or change. Click to open its details and check its status. Step 4. Review eligibility. Check if the transfer can be cancelled or edited. You can only change or cancel transfers that haven't been processed yet. Wise will show cancellation or editing options if eligible. Step 5. Cancel or edit the transfer. Click Cancel transfer or edit transfer as available. Follow instructions to confirm changes and review possible refunds, updates or fees. If you do not see this option to cancel or edit, your transfer has already been processed and you cannot edit it. Step 6. Receive confirmation. After canceling or editing, Wise provides confirmation by email and updates your dashboard transaction status. Now I have some tips for you. Transfers already processed or paid out cannot be changed or cancelled, like I said before. Contact Wise support if you need help or see no option to cancel or edit. And refunds may take several business days to reach your account after cancellation. And that's how you change or that's how you change or cancel your transfer on Wise. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you.